Hi, my name's Tanya and welcome to KeyPay's end of financial year video on lodging your payment summaries electronically with the ATO using the standard business reporting method. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure that your payroll file is set up for electronic lodgement, and then I'll show you how to actually lodge the payment summaries electronically. So in order to make sure that your payroll file is set up for electronic lodgement, from the payroll dashboard, we'll need to go to the payroll settings tab and down to the ATO supplier settings. Now down at the bottom of this page, you'll see your electronic lodgement option. So if this is showing as disabled, then this means that you are not set up for electronic lodgement. So what you'll need to do is phone the ATO on this number here, and they'll require some information on the software provider that you're going to use to lodge your forms with the ATO. So they'll need the software provider, which is KeyPay, and they'll also need the software ID, which is this number here. So once you've provided them with those details and they've registered the software, you can then come back to the ATO supplier settings page and click on the Enable Electronic Lodgement. Now I'll just mention though that if you do come straight to the ATO supplier settings page and just click on the Enable Electronic Lodgement without contacting the ATO and registering the software first, this won't work. Your forms will not lodge, they'll fail. So you do need to make sure that you phone the ATO first and register the software, and then you can come back and enable the electronic lodgement. Now you can also do this via the ATO business portal if you like, but we do recommend that you use the phone method there. So once you've done that, just click on Enable Electronic Lodgement. Then you'll get this authorization screen pop up, so you just need to confirm that. And then you can see that the electronic lodgement has been enabled. So once you've done that, you can just save the information on your ATO supplier settings page. Now I'll also mention at this point that if you do have employing entities in your business, you'll also need to enable the electronic lodgement for each of the employing entities as well. So if you just go to your employing entities tab and then click on one of the employing entities that you've got set up, you can see down the bottom that there's an electronic lodgement option for the employing entity as well. So if you do need to lodge payment summaries through that employing entity, you'll have to enable that electronic lodgement there as well. Okay, so once that's been set up, we're ready now to actually lodge the payment summaries. So back on the payroll dashboard, down to your reports tab, underneath the ATO reporting heading, you can click on payment summaries. Now, firstly, you'll need to select the employing entity that you'd like to lodge for, and then make sure that you've got the correct financial year set, and then just click on Show Payment Summaries. Now, at this point, you would have already published your payment summaries and sent the notifications to the employees, and you would have already done a quick reconciliation for those payment summaries as well. So once all that's been done, you're ready to actually lodge your payment summaries. So from the payment summaries page here, you just need to click on the Lodge button. Now you'll have another authorization screen pop up. So this has got the information of the payment summaries that you're about to lodge. So you've got 3 payment summaries here. And then you just need to click on the option that you've read and accepted the terms and conditions. And then all you need to do is click on the Lodge Now option. And then that's it. You've successfully lodged your payment summaries directly with the ATO via the standard business reporting method. You will receive a confirmation back if that was a successful lodgement, or you'll receive an error if there was a problem. That's it for lodging your payment summaries electronically with the ATO. If you have any further questions, you can email us on our support email, which is support@yourpayroll.com.au.